Hey everybody, welcome to the nightly vid. I apologize on no vid last night, but man, did we have some fun today. We did have the vid. You already know what we'd be talking about, the 2-2 on a Tuesday SPY. How many of those have we had? Here, right? All over past couple weeks here. Q's 2-2 on a Tuesday, Dow 3-2, and you had the gap down buy, as we know. And IDBM, not so much. Inside day, or actually slight 2 down day. So maybe a 2-2 reversal tomorrow. We'll see. Haven't really liked the IDBM recently, according to the market. That being said, we got the strat attack. So we got a lot of things to go over here. And we're probably not going to get to all of them. So I will make sure to show the list here on screen. But we're going to go over the biggest gainers so far to start. We'll start SEMR. So this is already a 3 on the month. But you will see it's 2-year inside bar and up, and it has been a lot higher. So it used to be somebody about $15. PGNY in the healthcares, you see the 2-2 hammer quarter coming right off of all-time lows. They didn't quite make the new low, but if this were to work, you would reclaim this range here. So we want to know about that for sure. And we will see starts 2 up on the month, 1-3-1-2 reversal, and 2 up day to start the week. So they have been buying it, but we'll see if they continue to buy it. ALHC Twilio. We'll see Twilio with the gap on earnings, still coming back from the dead here. And you got a big broadening formation, reclaiming all of this range. So it has been higher. We'll see LTH 2-2 month, 2 up to start the week. TAL, this is a fun one, RevStrat month in force. 3-2 weaker we picked up during the day on stream here. 2 up to start the week. They're really getting after that. And it has been higher, 3-2-2, and they're still good. So maybe. Trying to get the ones that are going out on the highs. So you got the strongest names here. Baba. So Baba, this is one, I kind of want to know about this one all year personally. I've got my beliefs, but you'll see a slight lower low to here, trying to go back up to 117.59, and it's only, $20 off the highs. So potentially see that, and that would cause the 2-2 year. So Baba 2 up to start, and that does tell you things in the K-Web. 2 going 3 for a scenario 3-3 month. This will be on the 3-2-2 list for next month, more than likely, with 2 days left to go in the month, because we will have the new month coming out. Actually, is that correct? Doesn't seem correct. Oh, potentially, I know they have the China New Year stuff going on, but the 28th. So yeah, Tuesday. So January will start on Saturday. So maybe this is wrong on TradingView here, but we'll see how that works out. We'll have Goose picked up this during the morning stream, full time frame continuity. And just for an example of some setups here, the inside measured move, the T215, you also had the 3 in here. Not bad, but you'll see 2-2 months still coming back through the range. You got this nice broadening formation up to 1482, and maybe it turns into a 2-2 year coming off all-time lows. It has been higher. If we go to all the tech stuff is slightly lower on the list here. Yeah, here it is. Give me 1 second. All right, well, this is a shame. I think our sim is sadly not working. So we do have, Fed and stuff tomorrow afternoon, which, let's see, still not scanning. But we have the Fed stuff tomorrow afternoon, so we'll skip to that. But what we will say is, the tech and stuff with the T2 on a Tuesday, we like the stuff in tech. You got things like Crowd that are going. You see inside quarter 3-1-2 up. If we go to not PanW, D-Dog, you're also going to have this outside bar week, RevStrat in force. You'll see this 3-2 and up. And a lot of tech. So down in here on the list, we'll go through it. Let's see, MongoDB 3-2 and up, still an inside month, but 2 up week, back into that scenario 3 from many weeks ago. Zscaler 2 or 3 week to the upside. Still inside month, but when you have that 3, it can get bigger. You can see 3-2 to start the week. If we go to Zoom, this is my favorite. This is something we're going to talk about all year. Zoom, the RevStrap month above this. We want that. And you'll see it was 2-2 on a Tuesday, causing a 3-2 week, which we posted across Twitter. Did not have the nightly vid out. But up they go. And this one's interesting because above 92.80, you get 3-2 year. And it used to be at $600. So it used to be somebody higher. And we know Zoom ain't going anywhere. Snow, you're going to see goes, I believe, 2-2 continuation quarter. Back through the broadening formation, and you got this mother bar up in here, 244.05. You're going to see outside week, 3-2 up to start the week. Octa. You're going to see, believe, equal lows, so 2 up month. See the inside quarter and up, and if that works, 2-year inside bar, not the best one, but it is, this week starting to go. Palantir. You'll see the 2-2-2 to start the week off. Still has some magnitude to take these guys out, and a broadening formation up into all-time highs. Then there's Zillow, which is going to also be RevStrap month and up. To the upside, and you're going to see continuation of the inside year and up. So still has been a lot higher. Dropbox. I haven't looked at this one in a while. Momentum Hammer year. You're going to see 2 up, 2 up, 2 up this week, or this month, I mean, but 2 up, 2 up to start the week. So they've been grinding up. We'll see. And the last one, TOST, which went 2-2 on a Tuesday and is RevStratting the month in here. So we got some of those names, and then we already talked about TAL that we like. And then Goose. And there is also CVS, which is still inside, but bright green, 2 up, 2 up, or 2 up a week. 2 up, 2 up to start the week. So you got a lot of stuff in there going. We do have energy numbers in the Fed tomorrow. So XLE, not many setups. XOP, not many setups. OIH, not many setups. What we'd prefer is we take some of this stuff out and go outside, or maybe a 2-2, depending on how the energy markets are going. We got a USO. US oil went inside day, so it could turn into PMG, which would help out the energy sector. So we'll see. LNG from the weekend vid, inside day. And then with the Fed tomorrow, it's going to be mostly your financials we'll want to be watching, which close as maybe a 2-2 reversal for tomorrow. Visa, maybe a 2-2. MasterCard, maybe a 3-2-2. JP Morgan, you see just up at the highs. Morgan Stanley, just under all-time highs. Goldman Sachs, just under the highs as well. So you got a lot of monthly signals in force in there. And then on the downside, Bank of America, if they're going to bring them in at all, there would be your pivot machine gun. And if we look at KRE, maybe a 2-2 up, kind of dojis. So we'll watch those financials when the Fed comes out, and that's where we like to see, and then SPY and Qs and that type of stuff. Given the week is really green to start, we'd prefer an outside week with the Fed if that doesn't happen before they come out with the news. And then from there, we'll have to see what happens. But that is what we got. And, sadly, I don't have much more to talk about. What we can say is JetBlue on the gappers, really big puker to start. Still has this weekly broadening formation to finish off. So red gets redder, as we say. We'll be watching that rest of this week to see if we can't come through these guys. We'll see Boeing gapper outside day. So you got your broadening formation in there. This is one we talked about in the morning stream, the 2230 up in here. Takes them out. So maybe we get triangle back up. If we go to the cruise lines, some pretty good gappers in there. RCL, the 3-2, bang. All-time highs. Norwegian Cruise Lines, the 3-2, bang. CCL, the 3-2, bang, takes them out. So maybe we see that stuff continue as well. And then we did see defense stocks, Lockheed Martin, see 2-2 on a Tuesday, wrecked. All right, so coming into the bottom of this thing, either draw it like this or keep it drawn off previous range, but that is what we saw. And then GD, see the RevStrat on a Tuesday, 2-2 weekend down. We late add on this one to the weekend vid list for the SAT premium guys. If we go to RTX, it was still 2 up, and then NOC, also 2-2 RevStrat on a Tuesday, 2-2 weekend down. So some of the defense sector coming in a bit. On outside of that, I don't got too much I can talk about. You know, lacking these scans is sad, but that being said, tomorrow morning, if the scans are back on, I'll try my best to get those 2-2 reversals and inside bars out on Twitter at the very least. But that is all I got tonight. So adios and have a good rest of your night.